Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. A lot of times, people who are nurses want to get an H-1B, or hospitals, they want to petition people for H-1B's that are nurses. And the bottom line is that nurses do not qualify for H-1B's. Now, given that I just said that, there are situations where very specialized nurses will. But the bottom line that you have to be aware of is that in order to qualify for an H-1B, the number one requirement is that the position require the use of a degree. Now, you and I know that most every nurse that's out there has a BS in nursing. However, they have different publications that immigration uses to determine the normality of the education, the work experience, and many other factors. And the reality is, one is called the OOH, the Occupational Outlook Handbook. It is very detailed. It makes clear that to have a degree is not required to be a nurse. That, of course, they need to pass the NCLEX, and they certainly need to have some education, but a degree is not required. Okay? And because of that, you're not going to get an H-1B. Now, I know I mentioned earlier that there are exceptions. One such exception is if there is a specialized nurse, such as a pediatric cardiologist nurse, or a nurse that helps with oncology surgeries, or a head nurse that has been around for many years and is has many nurses underneath him or her that they have to direct. So there are situations where a specialized nurse may qualify for an H-1B, but the reality is that for the vast majority of nurses, they have to do what's called a Schedule 1 I-140. No perm is required ultimately to get the green card. It's actually easier for a nurse to get the green card than it is to get a non-immigrant visa, okay? And especially an H-1B, okay?